Just go right into the cracking. Ready to go, guys? Start cracking. What do we do? My name is Joe, and I know fish. And today we're talking about stone crab claws and other crab products. Because of its perishability, crab products are sold three ways: live, fresh cooked, or frozen cooked. And today, for a demonstration, we're going to show you how to crack a cooked stone crab claw. Now, this might not be orthodox, but this is the way I do it. I'm not going to use this little thing, whatever you want to call a crab cracker. That's no good. This little thing I'm going to give to my grandkids to play with. Here I'm going to use a hammer. But when you use a hammer, you can't swing it like, you know, you really mean it. You gotta give it a tap, because if you swing too hard, you're gonna crack the shell in little pieces and it'll be all over the meat. So that's how it's cracked, in big pieces, and there's the meat.